Hello everybody, my name is Vivian. Today our reading has topic is Lee Tangram Animals. Lee Tangram's Animals, written by Marybeth Bolts, illustrated by Rush Crush. It was the first day of school, and Lee stood alone, missing his home in China. Everywhere there was shouting and laughter in a language Lee worked hard to understand. When the bell rang, Lee hung up his backpacks and placed the gift his father had sent on his teacher desk. "We are so happy you are in our class, Lee," said Miss Hess, opening her present. It was a Tangram puzzle Lee's father has made along with Tangram puzzle class. "What a lovely gift," said Miss Hess. "Would you like to tell the children about the Tangram puzzle?" Lee looked down at the floor. "That's okay, Lee," said Miss Hess. "Josh, why don't you pick a shape from the puzzle and describe it to the class?" Josh picked up the 5 triangles. "This shape has 3 sides and it is called a triangle. There are 2 small, 1 medium, and 2 large triangles in the puzzle." Miss has held up another shape. What makes this one look square?" Becca answered. "It has 4 sides that aren't the same length." The last shape was trickier. "This shape has 2 pairs of opposite sides that are parallel. The word parallel means 2 lines that run side by side and are an equal distance apart," said Miss Hess. "Like railroad tracks?" said Sam. "That's right," said Miss Hess. "It's called a parallelogram." Miss Hess put the Tangram puzzle and the cards on a table next to Lee's desk. During free time, he watched as Kid covered Tangram piece with other piece. 2 small triangles covered the square exactly. 2 small triangles in a square covered the parallelogram. One day, Miss Hess told the class they would be starting an animal science unit. "I will give you some riddles, and then you can guess the animal we are going to study," said Miss Hess. The first animal is a symbol of the United States. It is the one of the largest bird on prey, and its eyesight is excellent. "Any guesses?" asked Miss Hess. Lee knew that way. Too shy to raise his hand, Lee had an idea. He quickly looked through the Tangram cards and arranged the puzzle. He showed Miss Hess as he passed her desk. "How clever, Lee," said Miss Hess. "You are right. The bald eagle will be the first animal we will study. This second animal's skeleton is not made of bone but of cartilage. Most of these animals have 4 rows of teeth. They live in the oceans and their babies are called pups," said Miss Hess. Sam guessed. "A walrus?" "You are getting warm," teased Miss Hess. Lee searched through the cards again and arranged the Tangram puzzle. "Right again, Lee," said Miss Hess. "Can you tell the kids what you made?" "A shark," said Lee proudly. Miss Hess gave the class the black riddle. "This animal lives in Australia. They need water to survive. They need little water to survive. They are the largest marsupial mammals and they used their big tail to steer and balance. He didn't recognize the word marsupial, but he thought he knew the answer. He found the cards, and this time he showed it to Josh. Want to try? Lee asked. Josh moved the tangram piece into place. I've got it, Miss Hess, he said. Good job, said Miss Hess. Lee, could you give the kids one more clue to get the little riddle so they can get it too? Lee's heart pounded. Would he get all the words right? This animal carries its baby in a pouch, said Lee. It's a kangaroo, said the class. Just then, there was a clap of thunder and the rain poured down. During inside recess, Lee showed the kids how to make other tangrams, animals such as lions, giraffes, camels, and mountain goats. A few weeks later, Lee brought a surprise for our class. Miss Hess invited Lee to share a riddle about it. Lee began. Inside this box, there are puzzles that came from China, and each has 7 pieces. Can you guess what they are? Tangrams, said the class. And there are enough for everyone, said Lee proudly. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.